Welcome to Integral Mathematics. In this session, you are going to learn Introduction of Polynomial. If you not subscribe the video, subscribe and watch till the end. So first, definition of polynomial. A polynomial in one variable. A polynomial in one variable x is an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression of the form p of x equal an x power n plus an minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus an minus 2 x power n minus 2 plus a2 x power 2 plus a1 x power 1 plus a0. A0 is constant where n is a positive integer. So main point, n is a positive integer. Here the power n is a positive integer and a0, a1, a2, etc. an are constant. a0, a1, a2, an are constant. Next point, important notes. The constants a0, a1, a2, an are also known as coefficients of polynomial. Coefficients of polynomial. Next, degree of polynomial. Next point, degree of a polynomial. So how to find the degree? The exponent of the highest degree term in a polynomial is known as degree of the polynomial. Exponent and highest degree. What is exponent? In case we are writing x power n, so x is base and n is exponent, so the highest exponent of the power degree. So example, find the degree of the polynomial 4x minus 5. Here power is 1, so therefore the degree of the polynomial is 1. Next, second example, 5x minus 4x square plus 7. Here degree 1, here degree 0, here degree is 2, so the highest degree is 2. So the degree of the polynomial is 2. So polynomial, type of polynomials. Type of polynomials will take first based on number terms, based on number of terms. Based on number of terms. This point only is very important. Based on number of terms only we have to check. So first one, monomial. So monomial, polynomials which have only one term. You are going to learn two types. Only first types you are learning. So monomial, polynomial which have only one term. So here only one term. Instead of only one term, we can say only one like term. Only one like term. In case one monomial. In case if I write 1 plus 3 also monomial, or 1 plus 5 also monomial, or 3x plus 5x is monomial, because like terms we have. So like terms, one like terms. And second, binomial. So polynomials, same. Polynomials which have two like terms. Two like terms, monomial, binomial, next trinomial. Trinomial, so the same way only. Polynomials which have three like terms. Which have three like terms. So monomial, binomial, trinomial. Next, the important note: a polynomial is a monomial or the sum of two or more monomials. So polynomial only one, monomial also polynomial. If it binomial, trinomial, or other things also, if it 3 terms or 4 terms also, that is called a polynomial. Next, based on the degree. So here first, constant polynomial. So constant polynomial, the degree is only constant. That's the main constant. The polynomial which contain only constant term. Contain only constant term is called a constant polynomial. Example: 3 p of x equal to 3, or f of x equal to minus 4 by 7. Next, the second type, linear polynomial. Linear polynomial, the degree is 1. So a polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Example, p of x equal to 4x, or p of x equal to minus 5x minus 3. So the highest degree is 1. The highest degree is 1. Here we can write x power 0, here 1. So the highest degree is 1. So it's called linear polynomial. Next, quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. So here degree 2. Degree is 2. The highest degree is 2. Example, p of x equal to minus 5x square and p of x equal to 5x square, 5 by 2x square minus 3. So the highest degree is 2. Next, cubic polynomial. Next, cubic polynomial, here degree 3. The highest degree is 3. Examples, p of x equal to plus 6x power 3 plus 5x plus 2, or p of x equal to minus 7x square plus 8x minus 12x power 3 minus 1. So the highest power is 3, here also highest power is 3. So cubic polynomial. Next, biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial, the degree is 4. Highest degree is 4. Example, p of x equal minus 12x power 4, p of x equal to 7x power 4 minus 6x power 3 plus 2x square plus x minus 3. So here biquadratic polynomial. So type of polynomial based on 2. So based on number of terms and based on degree. So number of terms monomial only one like term, one like term, and binomial 2 like terms, and trinomial 3 like terms. Polynomial means monomial, binomial, trinomial. These all are called polynomial. And based on degree, constant polynomial, the degree is only the value is constant. In case degree is 0, so we can write x power 0 is 1. So here constant 3, we can write 3x power 0. So that's a constant polynomial. Next, linear polynomial, degree is 1, and quadratic polynomial 2 degree, the highest degree is 2, and cubic polynomial the highest degree is 3, and biquadratic polynomial highest degree is 4. In case here constant polynomial is 3, any number, any negative number or positive number, but in case if you are getting 0, the next point is called zero polynomial. So zero polynomial means the value, a polynomial having all coefficient equal to 0, all coefficient equal to 0 is called zero polynomial. In case example, p of x equal to 0 is called zero polynomial, or p of x equal to 0x square minus 5x minus 0x minus 0x. So here 0, if you 0 into anything 0, so this also the result will give, the answer is 0 only. So the main point is zero polynomial, the result is 0. A polynomial having all coefficient equal to, all coefficients equal to 0, so it's called zero polynomial. Thank you.